What's up, Prince Squad? I'm back with another video, and I just got this in the mail. So if you want to see what's inside of here, stay tuned.
T-shirt chick.
Alright, Prince Squad, so I got this box right here from Amazon. Just came in, and I'm about to go ahead and open it up so you guys can see what's inside. Okay, so you guys see what it is. It's a big plastic art case. Let me go ahead and move this box out the way. So here it is right here. I have two of these big art cases. So what I'm actually planning to use these for is, y'all see this right here? And this right here, to store my button supplies in it. So that's what I plan to do with it. So I'm gonna go ahead and set everything up so that I can see if it's gonna fit and see if it's gonna work out, because if not, I'm gonna end up sending it back to Amazon. But hopefully everything will work out well with this. Y'all, I don't even really know how to do this, because yeah, I'm just trying to do it. I don't know. Alright, y'all, so I don't know exactly how to do this. I just got it today. I'm just trying to work with it and see what I can do with it and see if everything's gonna work for me. So I don't know. Okay, goes like that. Trying to see. Okay, I guess this is gonna be the bottom part right here. Right here. Okay, yeah, that's it. All right. Okay, so it does lock right there. All right, so that's it right here. You see, I got the 4 different compartments. Now I'm gonna see what all can fit in there. My bad. Y'all saw I just spilled half of them out. Let me get them up right quick. Alright, so I don't really need this divider right here, so I'm going to go ahead and remove it. Don't need that one. is over 250 items right here. That's enough for over 250 buttons. And then I'll take my cutter and the Mylar sheets and I put them over here on this side. So as you guys see, that's what everything is looking like right there. It's yeah, it's fitting in here okay. I could probably rearrange these better to where they don't take up as much space. But yeah, that's pretty much what I'm working with right here. And the case is not closing right now, so I am going to have to kind of work with that and get it to where everything can fit. But this is basically, you know, a way that you can use to set everything up and store everything. That way, you know, everything is in order. So I'm gonna make it to where I can close it, and then I'll check back, let y'all check back in on the video. But what I'm about to do next is go ahead and set the second one up. And so I got everything pretty much. I'm putting the extra ones in here just to keep them. And I'm gonna rearrange this so that I can make everything fit better. And then I'm gonna show you, because it is like some empty spaces down here. I just have to put it in here better. So I'm gonna move this out the way and go on to the next one. Alright, so this one I actually got this one smaller because the buttons for the 3-inch buttons I felt like was gonna need more, you know, more space. So right here I have right here, this is my badge-a-minit thing, which I'm not going to have this much longer. I'm about to upgrade again. But right here, this is what I have been keeping it in. So what I'm going to do is, let me see, I'm going to go ahead and insert another one of these. And I'm going to open up this and pour it in here. I'm going to put all the button making supplies in this first one along with the cutter and this possibly. Actually, I can even, because it's so small, I can even do it like this and put those in here. And then I have my pen backs right here. And I only have about 100 of them. So that's right there. And then right here, okay, so that will go in here. This one is a little bit bent, but I'm gonna just toss it in there anyway. And one of the other things right here is the silica gel. I'm gonna have to put some in the other container. I do have plenty around here, but yeah, this is the setup for that. So as you guys see, both of the bins are by Art Bin, and I will leave links below. That's how I'm going to be storing my buttons for right now. Right here, I actually could get 2 of these, or maybe even a smaller one, because I do plan on getting the 1 1/4 inch button maker also. But yeah, right here, as you see, this is everything. And I will be upgrading soon to a better 2 1/4 button maker, because the one I'm using right now, you know, I'm really not trying to be doing this. So y'all see how everything fits, and I like how it fits. It's neat. Everything is in one place, so if I'm working, I can grab it easily and do what I have to do. That's that. I'm gonna show both of them to you. And I'm going to let you guys see how I made this other one work and have enough space. So I have everything set up, and I have the other one set up and everything so that it'll close. I'm going to let you guys check everything out. Right here, as you see, it's closing now. And this one I'll just have stacked on top of here. And I'll probably get another one in that same size, and it'll be stacked up here on top of that. You know, you can carry it here without spilling things out. And with this one right here, you can carry it without spilling things out. It's pretty sturdy and heavy duty, so you don't have to worry about it spilling out and stuff. So right here, as you see how I set everything up. I just kind of twisted them and organized them better to where it was more space saving. And these, I'll probably find somewhere else to store these, but for right now I'm leaving them here. And you see how everything is right there. And like I said, I will be using putting some silica gel inside of there to keep the buttons from rusting. Like I put one in each compartment just to try to keep moisture out of there and keep everything from rusting. Well, that's all I have for you guys today. If you liked the video, be sure to hit that thumbs up button. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to both this channel right here, which is the T-Shirt Chick TV channel, and my other channel, which is the T-Shirt Chick Live channel. Now on the T-Shirt Chick Live channel, I do like live streams Monday through Friday at 10 a.m. Central Time, and I also will be adding some more like behind the scenes type, family type videos on that channel also. And on this channel right here, as you guys know, it's the tutorials, it's the, you know, how to get into the t-shirt business for a reasonable price. You can also join that print squad group on Facebook if you need more help. And be sure to follow me on Instagram at T-Shirt Chick TV. Check below this video for links. I have the links for these cases and some of the other products that I use below this video. So just in case you're interested, be sure to check down there. I got a lot of stuff for you. But I will see you guys in another video. Print Squad out.